Lead scoring and qualifying process. Ultimate guide, Anybiz. Can you imagine navigating a busy city without a map? It's possible but risky. Similarly, trying to manage B2B marketing without lead scoring is like going on a blind date. Lead scoring helps businesses focus on prospects most likely to convert. Lead scoring assesses prospects' potential value, evolving from subjective evaluations to data-driven strategies using AI and machine learning for accurate predictions. Effective lead scoring enhances sales efficiency by focusing on high-potential leads, aligning marketing and sales goals for better collaboration, and accelerating sales cycles by prioritizing likely converters. Ideal for companies with high lead volumes, particularly in technology, B2B services, and sophisticated manufacturing. Lead scoring optimizes marketing efforts by focusing on high-converting leads across diverse sectors and user roles. Lead scoring models use demographic information, online behavior, and email interactions to assess leads' likelihood of becoming paying customers. Assigning values in lead scoring involves weighting activities and demographic factors by importance, tiering points based on engagement, decaying scores over time, and setting thresholds to advance leads through qualification stages. Building a tailored lead scoring process involves analyzing audience characteristics, defining key customer segments, understanding sales cycles, and integrating feedback to refine scoring effectively. For a consumer electronics manufacturer, customizing lead scoring means assigning points to actions like video views and comparison tool usage, setting lower thresholds for MQLs and SQLs due to shorter sales cycles, and updating regularly based on sales results and seasonal trends. Let Anybiz.io's AI automate lead scoring and generation, updating scores in real time and optimizing conversions, while your team focuses on closing deals and building relationships. As you prepare to leave, remember to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay connected with our latest releases.